Hi guys, welcome to Chemistry Academy. This is Ramesh Reddy. See the last class continuation. Next, second one is non-benzenoid compounds, non-benzenoid aromatic compounds. See non-benzenoid. Non-benzenoid means presence of benzene ring. Non-benzenoid absence of benzene ring. Absence of what is that? Benzene ring. But its electronic structure, look like benzene ring. Means shows conjugation. Look like benzene ring. Now see the example. Very familiar example. Go to first one is it is a three-membered ring, cyclic compound with double bond with positive sign. Now see the aromatic conditions. First one cyclic. Yes, it is a cyclic compound. Second one conjugation. See the conjugation 5 sigma positive sigma 5 shows it conjugation. Conjugation is satisfied. Next, electrons. 1 5 bond is equal to 2 electrons. Positive means deficient 0 electrons. So total 2 5 electrons. Therefore it is aromatic compound. 2 5 means follows 4n plus 2 rule. Huckel's rule. Follows 4n plus 2 rule. Huckel's rule. Now it is the simplest example. Three-membered ring with a positive sign. See the condition, cyclic part undergoes conjugation, presence of 4n plus 2 electron, therefore it is aromatic in nature. Now this name is, see the name, with a three-membered ring, cyclic compound, cyclopro, presence of double bond, enyl, cyclopropenyl cation. Cyclopropenyl cation is aromatic compound. So generally aromatic compounds are stable compounds. Next, see the resonance sections of this one, which is delocalized 5 bond and positive sign. Always positive is looking for electrons. Now break the 5 bond. Now this carbon gets negative, this carbon gets positive. Negative and positive becomes new double bond. See here, in this case negative and positive becomes new double bond. Now this carbon gets positive sign. Next again, delocalization of next 5 bond gets negative and positive. Gives to next resonance section. See here, this minus and plus becomes double bond. Now this carbon gets positive sign. See here, first carbon positive, second carbon positive, third carbon positive. Total 3 carbons gets positive sign. So 3 are equal resonance sections. These are equal resonance sections. Compared to unequal, equal resonance sections are more stable. 3-membered ring gives to 3 resonance sections. If it is 5-membered gives to 5 resonance sections. I will explain 5-membered ring example next. See the real hybrid section. Really in 3-membered ring, which is delocalized. Positive sign is delocalized. So each carbon gets positive sign. So which is delocalized? Positive sign is delocalized throughout the system. So each carbon gets how much? Plus 1/3 charge. Each carbon positive sign distributed how much? Plus 1/3 charge. Now this is the example of non-benzenoid compounds. Once again listen. Non-benzenoid compounds, that is absence of benzene ring, but its electronic structure look like benzene ring, means undergoes conjugation. See the first example. It is a cyclic compound. Yes, conjugated 5 sigma positive conjugation. Next, presence of 4n plus 2 electrons. Due to 4n plus 2 electrons, this is aromatic in nature. So this name is cyclopropenyl cation. Aromatic compounds are stable compounds. Next, see the resonance. 3-membered ring. 3-membered ring with a positive sign is aromatic. Remember this point. Next gives to 3 resonance structures. Next, these three resonance section which is delocalized, positive sign is delocalized throughout the system. So each carbon gets positive. How much charge? Plus 1/3 charge. This is the first example. Go to next. See the next example. Second one. 4-membered ring with 2 positive signs. Next, 4-membered ring with 2 negative signs. Find out aromatic or not. See the first condition. What is the first condition? Cyclic or not? Yes, both cases cyclic compounds. In both cases, these two are cyclic compounds. Next, see the double bond, sigma bond and positive sign undergoes conjugation. Yes, here also 5 bond, sigma negative sign undergoes conjugation. Conjugation is satisfied. Next, find out electrons. Here only 2 5 electrons. 2 5 follows 4n plus 2 rule. Therefore, it is aromatic in nature. Aromatic compounds are stable compounds. Next, in this case, 5 double bond is equal to electrons, negative is equal to 2, 2, 2, total 6 pi electron satisfies 4n plus 2 rule. Therefore, it is aromatic compounds. So, 4-membered ring with 2 positive signs, with 2 negative signs, those are aromatic in nature. Now, see the name of this compound. This is cyclo compound, cyclobute, enyl dication. Di means 2 times. Cyclobute enyl dication. It is an aromatic compound, stable compound. Next one, cyclobute enyl double bond enyl. Next, negative sign dianion. First one is cyclobute enyl dication. Next one is dianion. Both are aromatic in nature. Copy this one. Next example. Go to 5-membered ring. 5-membered ring. This is a 5-membered ring with a negative sign. 5-membered ring with a negative sign. Next, 5-membered ring with a positive sign. Next, 5-membered ring, just it is a single bond. Find out in 5-membered ring which is aromatic, which is non-aromatic and anti-aromatic. Again, find out the order of stability also. Now see the conditions. In all cases, cyclic part, yes, cyclic compound, 5 sigma 5 sigma negative undergoes conjugation. Due to conjugation, next 2 plus 2 4 minus means plus 2, 6 5 electrons follows Huckel's rule. Therefore, it is aromatic in nature. So negative sign is aromatic. Go to here. It is a cyclic part. Yes, cyclic part. 5 sigma 5 sigma positive shows conjugation. But how many 5 electrons? Here, double bond to double bond to. Double bond is equal to 2 electrons. Total 4. Positive means 0 electrons. So total how many? 4 5 electrons. 4 5 follows which rule? 4n rule. 6 5 follows 4n plus 2 rule. Huckel's rule. Huckel's rule follows aromatic in nature. But 4n rule follows, what is that? Anti-aromatic compound. It is anti-aromatic compounds. So generally anti-aromatic compounds are highly unstable. Anti-aromatic compounds are highly unstable. Those are does not exist. Do not exist. unstable, so do not exist. So, stable compounds, aromatic compounds are stable compounds. So stable compounds can exist. Next, go to 5-member ring. One of the carbon is sp3. See here, one of the carbon is sp3. One, see the non-aromatic conditions. Irrespective of electrons, maybe 4n rule electrons or 4n plus 2 rule electrons. But main point is any one of the carbon shows single bond sp3. So due to sp3, those compounds are non-aromatic compounds, irrespective of electrons, maybe 4n or 4n plus 2. But main point is any one of the carbon shows sp3 hybridization. Due to sp3, those are non-aromatic compounds. Non-aromatic compounds. Next, see here, aromatic, anti-aromatic, non-aromatic. But which is more stable? Which is more stable? See the order of stability. Order of stability. Not only for this, any compound, order of stability always. Aromatic compounds are more stable. After that, non-aromatic compounds. Next, anti-aromatic compounds. Anti-aromatic compounds are less stable or highly unstable. Those are highly unstable. Does not exist. Do not exist. If it is exist, immediately converted to stable compounds. So this is the order of stability. In any case, first pick up aromatic. Aromatic are more stable. After that, non-aromatic. After that, anti-aromatic. See here. First one is aromatic, more stable. After that, non-aromatic. After that, positive is anti-aromatic. Positive does not exist. So in 3-member ring, positive is aromatic. But in 5-member ring, what is that? Negative is aromatic. Remember this point. Next, go to conjugated structures. Write down conjugated structures. Conjugated structures. Now, aromatic compounds undergoes conjugation. Anti-aromatic compounds also undergoes conjugation. But due to presence of sp3 carbon, here conjugation is not possible. Here conjugation is stopped. Then see here. Always negative is donated. Then simultaneously cleavage of 5 bond. Simultaneously cleavage of 5 bond gives to. See here. Now this carbon gets negative. This carbon gets positive. So positive negative becomes double bond. Next, this is a negative sign. Next, again negative is donated. Simultaneously cleavage of 5 bond gets plus minus. Then to form a new bond between here. This is the new bond, negative and positive. Next, this carbon becomes positive sign. Not positive here, negative sign. Next, negative is donated. Simultaneously cleavage of 5 bond gives to next resonance structure. Here double bond. Next, this carbon gets negative sign. Again, negative is donated, cleavage of 5 bond gives to next resonance structure. Here double bond, this carbon gets negative sign. Now see here total how many resonance structures? Gives to total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 resonance structures. Now keep this is the first carbon gets negative. Next, this is the third carbon gets negative. Next, this is the fifth carbon gets negative. Next again, here second carbon gets negative. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth carbon gets negative. So here in all cases, each carbon gets negative sign. Here first, third, next fifth, second and fourth. So always negative sign is delocalized from 1, 3 positions. Here 1, 2, 3. Third position. Next again from here 1, 2, 3. This is the third position. Again from here 1, 2, 3. 3 second position. Again from here 1, 2, 3 fourth position. So each carbon gets negative sign. All structures are equal structures. These are equal resonance structures. Now see the equal resonance structure, real hybrid structure. So really what happens? Negative sign is delocalized. So this negative sign is delocalized throughout the system. Each carbon negative, how much? Minus 1 by 5 charge. So distributed how much charge? Minus 1 by 5 charge. This is called real hybrid structure. Next go to with positive sign. Positive sign. Here negative is donated, but in this case positive due to deficient, positive is accepted. Gives to same sections. Total 5 resonance sections. Now see here, this carbon gets negative, here positive. Negative positive becomes double bond. This carbon gets positive sign. Again, next to delocalization. Next to delocalization. Break this 5 bond. Double bond. Negative and positive becomes new double bond here. It is a positive sign. Next to break here. Break here. Double bond. Double bond. This is the positive sign. Again, next break here gives to next resonance structure the double bond and positive. See here also each carbon gets positive sign. Gives to total how many? 5 resonance structures. 5 resonance structures are equal resonance structures. Now see the real hybrid structure. See the real hybrid structure which is delocalized. In first case negative sign is delocalized, but here positive sign is delocalized. So each carbon gets how much charge? Positive 1 by 5 distributed positive 1 by charge. Positive 1 by charge. Copy this. See here one important point. In both cases, delocalization is possible. Generally, presence of delocalization compounds are more stable, but in anti-aromatic compounds, compounds are highly unstable. Presence of delocalization, but highly unstable. Reason is, in this case, electrons are present in anti-bonding orbitals, like MOT, anti-bonding orbitals. Due to anti-bonding orbitals, low energy level or high energy level, it is highly energized, highly energy level. So highly energy level means energy and stability both are inversely proportional. So in this case electrons are present in anti-orbitals. Anti-orbitals are highly energy level, therefore stability decreases. That is the main reason. Go to next. Next example, 7-membered ring. The 7-membered ring. See here, this is a 7-membered ring. Next, go to 7-membered ring. Here I am taking positive sign. See here, one of the carbon is sp3. One of the carbon is sp3. Due to sp3 carbon, those are non-aromatic compounds irrespective of electrons. Here 5 sigma 5 again 5 sigma positive sign. So cyclic compound shows conjugation. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2. How many electrons? 6 5 electrons. Therefore it is aromatic. So in 7-membered ring, positive sign is aromatic in nature. Next here, presence of sp3 non-aromatic in nature. Aromatic compounds are more stable. Now see the name of the compound. It is a 7-membered ring. Cyclo 7 carbons. Hepta-trienyl cation. Name of this one, cyclic compound. Hepta 7 carbons. Trienyl 3 double bonds. Cation. This is normal. Cycloheptatriene. It is non-aromatic compound, but cation is anti-aromatic aromatic compound. This is non-aromatic compound. Next, So this is also known as tropylium. Tropylium cation. Tropylium cation. Tropylium cation is more stable. Go to next 8-membered ring. 8-membered ring. 8-membered ring. Eight-membered ring. 4 double bonds are possible. 4 double bond means 4 to the 8 5 electrons. 8 5 means anti-aromatic. Anti-aromatic compounds are highly unstable. Due to highly unstable, compounds does not exist. Next, same 8-membered ring. 8-membered ring. Keep with 2 positive signs. 2 positive signs. Next 8-membered ring. 2 negative signs. See, 2 positive. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 2 6 5 electrons. Follows 4n plus 2 rule. Therefore, it is aromatic in nature. 2, 4, 6, 8 to 10 5 electrons. 10 5 electrons. This is also aromatic in nature. So, in 8-membered ring, presence of 4 bonds, 8 5, anti-aromatic, highly unstable, with 2 positive signs, 2 negative signs. Those are stable compound. Now, see the name of this one: cyclooctatetraene. Cyclooctatetraene. Now this is cyclooctatrienal dication, cyclooctatrienal dianion. So dication, dianion both are aromatic, but this is anti-aromatic. Next, heterocyclic aromatic compounds. So again, aromatic compounds are 2 types. One is homo. Homo means equal atoms. Homo means equal atoms, like benzene ring. Benzene rings. Here all carbons are equal. Benzene or naphthalene and anthracene, so on. So those are called homo. Next, go to hetero. Hetero means different atoms. Different atoms other than carbon atoms. So those are maybe nitrogen, sulfur, oxygen, so on. So those compounds are called heterocyclic aromatic compounds. See the example. First one is pyridine. It is very familiar and important one. Pyridine. See the structure of pyridine. It is like benzene ring, but one of the atom is nitrogen. A nitrogen presence of lone pair. Now see the conditions. It is a cyclic compound. Conjugation 5 sigma 5, 5 sigma 5, again 5 sigma 5. See a lone pair also conjugation, but first priority 5 sigma 5 conjugation. How many? 3 5 bonds, 6 5 electrons. Therefore, it is aromatic in nature. Aromatic, more stable. But in this case, lone pair is not involved in conjugation. So, lone pair is not involved. Those are called localized lone pair. If it is not involved in conjugation, those known as localized lone pairs. Go to next example. Pyrrole. Pyridine is a 6-membered ring, but pyrrole is 5-membered ring. It is a 5-membered ring. Now here presence of 2 double bonds on nitrogen 1 lone pair. So here nitrogen lone pair undergoes conjugation. Lone pair sigma 5, 5 sigma 5, 5 sigma lone pair. So total 2 lone pair 2, then double bond 2, 6 5 electrons. Due to 6 5 electrons, it is aromatic in nature. But in this case, lone pair is involved in conjugation. Due to conjugation, then it undergoes resonance structures. So those lone pairs are called delocalized lone pairs. See the variation. If it is involved in conjugation, those are called delocalized lone pairs. No conjugation, localized lone pairs. So if it is no conjugation, those lone pairs are free. Now it can act as Lewis base. Lewis bases can act as Lewis base, more basic character. But here, due to involvement, there is no donating capacity. It is less basic in nature. Go to next examples. Furan. Next one is thiophene. Thiophene. See the furan. This is also 5-membered ring, but presence of oxygen. Thiophene, presence of 5-membered ring, but sulfur. Other atom is oxygen. Here sulfur. On oxygen, 2 lone pairs. Then here also on sulfur, how many? 2 lone pairs. Now see here, both are cyclic compounds. Both undergoes conjugation. See the condition: 5 sigma lone pair sigma 5 sigma 5. Here also same conjugation. But only one lone pair is involved in conjugation, not 2 lone pairs. One lone pair is enough for conjugation. So 2 5 bonds, 4 electrons, then lone pair, 6 5 electrons. So due to 6 5 electrons, 4n plus 2, aromatic in nature. Here also same 6 5 electrons, aromatic in nature. So these are aromatic compounds. But see here, one more important point. One lone pair involved in conjugation, second lone pair not involved in conjugation. If it is involved, delocalized lone pair, not involved, localized lone pair. Here also 2 lone pairs. One is involved in conjugation, delocalized lone pair. If it is not involved, localized. So in first 2 cases, one is involved, second one is not involved. But in these 2 cases, 2 lone pairs are present. One is involving, second one is not involving. So these are all examples of heterocyclic aromatic compounds. Next, see the some applications. For example, it is a 6-membered ring, double bond, positive sign. Next, double bond, positive sign. Next, double bond, negative sign. Find out which is aromatic and non-aromatic. Find out aromatic. And second question, here nitrogen, then keep nitrogen here. Double bond. Find out aromatic compound. Aromatic compound. Which is aromatic compound. See the first case. See here. 5 sigma positive sigma 5, again 5 sigma lone pair due to lone pairs. So throughout the system undergoes conjugation. Positive is vacant orbitals, lone pair is 2 orbitals. So total 6 5 electron, therefore it is aromatic in nature. Here also same concept, 6 5 electrons, aromatic in nature. But in this case here, on oxygen lone pair minus lone pair. So minus is the conjugation. 2, 2, 4, 6 with minus 8 5 electrons. 8 5 means anti-aromatic in nature. Next in this case, on nitrogen presence of lone pair. So everything is undergoes conjugation. 2, 4, 6, 8 5 electrons. 8 5 means 4n rule, anti-aromatic. Now in this case, on nitrogen presence of lone pair, but those lone pair are not involved in conjugation. First priority give to double bond. So 6 pi electrons. 6 pi electron, therefore it is aromatic in nature. So in this case, both lone pairs are not involved. Here both lone pairs are involved in conjugation.